everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the November Ipsy bag. So let's get this started. So I just got this in the mail today. It's November 12th and I don't know what's inside it. Only thing I've done is pop this open and remove my address just so you guys don't happen to see that. So yeah, let's stick in here. We got a brush. You see a Perfecto brush by Ipsy. So it is a big poofy blush brush. Ooh, it's soft. So that works. Can never have too many brushes. I will always and forever say that. I have tons of brushes, but you can never have too many. Okay. Is there anything else in here? No. So here's the bag. It's cute. It's got that like fall winter vibe to it. It's faux vegan leather. So that's nice, and it has a kind of coral zipper on it. Okay, well first off, we're going to take the Be Present November 2020. So there is the card, and it has all the items inside of it. So first off, we had the MOTD Cosmetics A Perfect 10 Tapered Face Brush. So that was this, and this retails for $22. So that's the first item. Second item that we pull out, because we're not going to look, we have the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. I really like the Tatcha products that I've gotten in my Ipsy bags. They're all travel sizes, which is great. So this is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $38, but this is a full sample, which is great for traveling and everything like that. And dealing with oily skin, large pores, or uneven skin texture, this daily cleanser is here to get your skin back on track, which is great because I deal with all of those. So I'm excited to try this. I've only tried their water cream so far, and I really liked that. So looking forward to this. Okay, next up, we have a Koke Professional Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. So let's see here. Koke Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. This is a full size and it retails for $5.99. And yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. So it's a pretty color. It's nice. We'll totally use it. It's a highlighter, so it'll get used. So sweet. Got a nice soft glow highlighter. Next up is, there's two more items in here. So the first one, Ultra Repair Face Moisture Cream from First Aid Beauty. I really like First Aid Beauty, so this will be another great travel bag item once I can travel again. But I really like this, so great. I have tried this before. It works really well. Fantastic. So First Aid Beauty, this is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $34. And then our last item is a Ico London Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Beatnik Black. So it's a small, nice, this is a great size for a mascara for me, because as someone who only wears mascaras when she does elaborate makeups or for costumes, because I don't wear it all the time. I have really overactive tear ducts, and even with like waterproof mascaras, when my eyes start to water real bad, I just mess with them. So I don't wear mascara on a day-to-day basis. So this type of size is great for my makeup bag. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size retails for $26. So I'm gonna go back through. We had the cute bag. We have the MOTD brush, have the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. We have the Koke Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter. We had the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara, and the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. So awesome, yeah, I really like this bag this month. It's all stuff I'll use. The mascara is going to be the thing that takes me the longest to get through, but everything else I'll totally use. And I have a wonderful face brush for my highlighter all ready to go. So Ipsy is a monthly bag that you can get. They have different levels. I've only ever done the base bag, the $12 one, since that's in my budget, and I've been doing this for years. If you look back, my actual last Ipsy review before this was like 5 years ago. So I've been getting it that entire time. I just haven't got to sit down and do a video for you guys, which are going to be more constant from now on. But yeah, so $12, you get 5 products. Normally there's two to three full size and then 2 to 3 travel and deluxe sample sizes. And I really enjoy it. I think it's worth it. I love the bags. I use these things for everything. They get used for makeup bags, or if I just need like a clutch that I need to throw some stuff in, they get used for that too. Thank you guys so much for checking out my review of my November Ipsy 2020 bag. If this is your first time at my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a thumbs up. It really helps. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!